What is up, DramaAlert Nation? I'm your host, Killer Keemstar. Let's get right into the news. Our first story is coming from Robinson. He said, well, my company, Evil Geniuses, got bought by Twitch. Today is a hell of an amazing day. This is beyond big. Up we go, folks. That's right. He's saying that Twitch bought Evil Geniuses and Good Game. Good Game owns Evil Geniuses and Alliance Esports teams. That was followed up with Nadeshot saying Twitch purchasing Evil Geniuses and Good Game is great for the progression of esports. Companies valuing organizations to that degree is validation. Also in the news, the website Pirate Bay has been knocked offline by the Swedish police, orchestrated a raid on the Pirate Bay offices and took the servers offline. Also in the news, roughly from 6 p.m. Eastern to 7 p.m. Eastern today, Twitter went offline for many users. That's right, there were all different types of claims and accounts that Twitter was down and was not working. I experienced this myself. And oddly enough, after Twitter being knocked down for an hour, when Twitter was reinstored, the original Lizard Squad Twitter account became unsuspended. We can verify that this account has been suspended since September 29th. Lizard Squad tweeted out, Twitter saw those packets coming at them, so they lifted our suspension. That's it for the news today. DramaAlert Nation, now over 130,000 subscribers.
Yeah!